There you go, tape measure. Blizzard 2011. Dustin's gonna go outside and take a sample of the size of the snow. Oh. Snow size sample. I'm guessing 20 inches. I don't know if the table's the best idea or not. Try it. Yeah, you're terrible at this. That's gotta stay in the video though, because that's the best part of it. Here, I'm gonna throw it to you.
Well, I don't. Yeah, just look back in.
That was a good throw / catch. How much? Put it right there. 18 inches of snow. Up to your knees. That's crazy. Cool. Yeah, the snowshoes didn't really do too well at keeping your clothes from getting all snowy.